Is there actually a safest seat on an airplane? The answer might surprise you. According to accident data, passengers sitting in the rear of the plane tend to have higher survival rates. Why? Because most aircraft accidents happen during takeoff or landing, and the rear often absorbs less impact. Seats near the wing are also very safe because that's the strongest part of the aircraft structure. But here's the most important thing. Flying is already one of the safest ways to travel. So no matter where you sit, you're incredibly safe in the air. Follow Jetset Aero for more aviation facts.